Kiji channel. If you love stylish homes, calm vibes, and smart decor ideas that feel luxurious but stay budget-friendly, then you're exactly where you belong. Today's video is all about transforming your living room series wardrobe and lobby decor into a space that feels welcoming, organized, and truly you. Because, girls, our home is not just a place, it's a reflection of our mindset. Let's start with the living room wardrobe or storage area. Many people think wardrobes are only for bedrooms, but a smartly designed wardrobe or storage unit in the living room can completely change the look of your home. A sleek, floor-to-ceiling wardrobe with soft neutral shades like beige, ivory, or pastel gray keeps the space looking open and elegant. Sliding doors are a perfect choice here. They save space and add a modern touch without making the room feel crowded. You can use this wardrobe to store extra cushions, seasonal decor, prayer mats, guest items, or even your daily use essentials. When everything has its own place, your living room automatically looks calm and clutter-free. Now let's talk about open shelving mixed with closed cabinets. This combination is a game changer. Closed cabinets hide the mess, while open shelves let you display your personality. On open shelves, add small indoor plants, aesthetic books, minimal showpieces, or soft LED lights. Remember, less is more. One beautiful item speaks louder than 10 random ones. Girls, don't wait for a big budget to start decorating. Even one shelf, styled with intention, can uplift the entire living room. Moving forward to the lobby or entrance decor, because first impressions matter. Your lobby is the first space that welcomes you and your guests, so it should feel warm, stylish, and peaceful. A slim console table near the entrance is perfect for small spaces. On top, place a round or arched mirror. It reflects light and makes the area feel bigger instantly. Add a small tray for keys, a scented candle, and a vase with fresh or artificial flowers. This simple setup looks elegant and keeps your daily essentials organized. If space allows, add a soft rug under the console table. Neutral or earthy tones work best and bring a cozy feeling as soon as you enter the house. Now let's talk about lighting, because lighting changes everything. Soft, warm lights create a welcoming atmosphere. Wall lights, pendant lights, or even hidden LED strips around wardrobes or shelves give your living room a premium look without spending too much. Good lighting doesn't just decorate your space, it lifts your mood. For girls who love minimalist decor, go for clean lines and soft colors. For those who love a bold vibe, add one statement piece, maybe a textured wall panel, wallpaper, or a unique mirror design. Your home doesn't need to follow trends blindly. It should tell your story. Now, a little motivation for my strong girls. Just like we organize our homes, we should organize our lives too. A clean, peaceful space helps you think